Hello everyone. Today is our day second of chapter light for class 8. Students, in the last video we had discussed the topics reflection of light, terms used to study reflection of light and laws of reflection. In this video we will discuss the topics image formed by a plane mirror and characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Students, mirrors are mainly classified into two types, plane mirror and spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are further classified into two types, concave and convex mirror. But in this video, we will only discuss about plane mirror. In this, we will study how an image is formed by a plane mirror. When object is a point object and when object is an extended object. Students, point object is a dot object and extended object which has particular length and the height. Now let's discuss the first case when the object is a point object. Students, in this figure, M1 is the plane mirror, O is the point object, dot object. From the point O, rays travel in all direction, but we consider only two rays which falls on the mirror. Let OA and OB from the point O. OA and OB are the incident rays. To find the angle of incidence, we will draw the normals at point A and point B respectively. Now the incident rays get reflected along AC and BD respectively, with the angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection. Students, these rays after reflection, the rays AC and BD do not converge, do not meet at a point when seen from a point between C and D. These rays appear to come from a point I behind the mirror. So extend these rays backward so as to meet at a point I behind the mirror. Students, I is the image of an object. Students, this image I is the virtual image of an object because it cannot be obtained on a screen. A virtual image is formed when the reflected rays meet if they are produced backward. Let's discuss the image formation when the object is an extended object. Students, take an extended object AB. Now consider it as 2 points object, point A and the point B. Firstly, we will draw the image of point A followed by the point B. From the point A, two rays falls on the plane mirror, the ray AP and AQ. These rays get reflected along PP dash and QQ dash. As these rays do not meet after reflection, so extend these rays backward so as to meet at a point A dash behind the mirror. Now from point B, two rays BR and BS incident on the plane mirror, and these rays are reflected along the direction RR dash and SS dash along the same direction and do not meet. So extend these rays backward so as to meet at a point B dash behind the mirror. Now join A dash and B dash, we get the complete image of an extended object. Students, this image A dash and B dash formed at a same distance from the mirror as the distance AB from the mirror. Now let's discuss characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Students, characteristics means features. First is the image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front. Just now we have seen that the image formed at a same distance as the distance of the object from the mirror. Second is the image is unmagnified. Unmagnified means of the same size as that of object, virtual and the erect. Erect means upright. The third is the image has right-left reversal. Students, it means that when an object is placed in front of plane mirror, then the right side of the object appears to become the left side of the image, and left side of the image appears to become the right side of the image, and this image formation is called lateral inversion. Students, this is all for today. Thank you.